Mastering arguments. Deductive and inductive reasoning. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of debates and discussions: understanding arguments. Specifically, we're going to explore two key types of arguments: deductive and inductive reasoning. These types of arguments are crucial tools for critical thinking and analysis, especially when evaluating arguments and evidence. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics of deductive and inductive arguments, let's clarify what an argument is. In debates and discussions, an argument is a series of statements intended to establish a proposition. In simpler terms, it's your point of view, backed up with reasons. Understanding the structure of an argument can help you better analyze and critique arguments made by others and enhance your own ability to argue effectively. Now, let's explore the first type of argument: deductive reasoning. This is a type of logical reasoning where a specific conclusion is reached based on one or more general statements, also known as premises. Here's an example. All birds have feathers. Premise 1. Penguins are birds. Premise 2. Therefore, penguins have feathers. Conclusion. Deductive reasoning moves from the general to the specific. If the premises are true, then the conclusion must also be true. This is known as a valid argument in deductive reasoning. Next up is inductive reasoning. This is a type of reasoning where a general conclusion is drawn from specific examples. Let's see an example. Penguin 1 has feathers. Observation 1. Penguin 2 has feathers. Observation 2. Penguin 3 has feathers. Observation 3. Therefore, all penguins have feathers. Conclusion. Inductive reasoning moves from specific observations to broader generalizations. It's important to note, though, that even if all the observations are accurate, there's still a chance the conclusion might be false. This is the nature of inductive reasoning. It's less certain but very common in our daily lives. To summarize, deductive reasoning starts with a general statement and reaches a certain conclusion, while inductive reasoning starts with specific examples and formulates a probable generalization. Both types of reasoning are essential for critical thinking, allowing us to evaluate evidence and construct strong arguments. And that's a wrap. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of deductive and inductive arguments. Remember, effective arguing is not about winning or losing but about exploring different viewpoints, assessing evidence, and reaching more informed conclusions. Keep practicing your reasoning skills, and you'll be a master of debates and discussions in no time. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.